In today's video, I'll teach you how to set up VS Code in Windows PC or laptop. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in this link code.visualstudio.com. Press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Visual Studio Code. What you have to do is click on this option, download for Windows, that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, the Visual Studio Code setup will be downloaded. All you have to do is simply click on the open icon. Now after you do that, the setup will be opened. What you have to do is simply accept the license agreement. Read the license agreement properly. Now click on this option, I accept the agreement. Now after you do that, click on the next option that you can see on the screen. Likewise, what you have to do is simply select the additional tasks. You'll be able to see the additional tasks over here. If you want to select it, simply check on the box right next to that particular task. Now click on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now what you have to do is click on the install option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here it is preparing to install. Now all you have to do is simply wait it out. After a while it will be installed. You'll also have to select the location where you want to install the VS Code. After you do that, the VS Code will be installed. You can simply search for the VS Code over here. You can see over here the Visual Studio Code has been installed on your Windows. Now you can simply open it and customize it according to your choice. So that is how you set up VS Code on Windows PC or laptop. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.